All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Friday idiom. So on the road to recovery. Yes. Let's try and get a picture. Road. Perfect. Here we are. To recovery. Yeah. Here we are. Like in a hospital, for example. Where are we? Yeah. So getting better over time. Yes. Don't need that. Yeah, getting better over time. Slowly getting better. We are on the road to recovery. Yeah. Yeah. I am on the road to recovery, and I will be leaving the hospital in a few days. Yes. How cool is that? Yeah. 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 Interesting. Since then, they have been on a difficult road to recovery. It has not been easy for his recovery. It has not been easy for him, but he is on the road to recovery and is slowly getting better. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Without their help, they would not be on the road to recovery. Yeah. Yeah. He needs them to be on the road. He needs them with him on the road to recovery. Yeah. He needs them on the road to recovery. Otherwise, it's going to take a long time. Take a long time. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah, the road to recovery. Yeah. Yeah, so sometimes when people go to hospital, their road to recovery could be a few days, but others could take weeks. It all depends on things. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. The road to recovery, from being sick and tired to strong and healthy. So, can you use road to recovery, on the road to recovery, in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy. When you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.